Hey, I'm on my way to do another Juice Tribe tour, which I absolutely love doing these. I'm taking my juicer and I'm gonna go see Garen and Wellness Acupuncture. Hi guys, let's walk into Wellness Acupuncture. I'm gonna go see Garen. Nice to see you too. I can't wait. So I've been coming to Garen since COVID. I actually got introduced to Garen by my good friend Rachel, who I was actually during that time, I was suffering major from my sciatic, my lower back. I looked like an 80-year-old woman walking in when I walked in here. Garen was actually able to help me heal my sciatic nerve and all my issues with hips that I've been kind of having for many years. And ever since, I've been very loyal because I'm loyal. If somebody does a good job on me, you better believe wherever you go, I'm gonna follow you. And now I'm gonna do a little bit of acupuncture in my arm. I've been suffering with this shoulder for probably like the last 6 months, I would say.
Yeah, Yogi's a workout warrior. She really pushes it. I'm sure you see that on her video. So sometimes this gets a little tight on her and we need to release it.
And then she helps me with this. She's gonna also do some acupuncture on my back. And I'm gonna do a new thing on my face, so I'm excited about it.
So we're gonna be releasing these muscles with trigger point therapy.
I'm a chicken.
Yeah, this one's a little tight.
Oh.
Alcohol.
Here we go.
Breathe out. Breathe in. This is the only thing that I do on you that's a little.
Yeah.
He's doing good.
Okay, good.
So we want that muscle to spasm because muscle fibers, especially when we're doing the trigger point technique, acupuncture itself is very gentle. Like when we're going to be doing her back treatment, you'll see. This treatment's a little bit more aggressive.
Yeah.
Because we're trying to trigger those muscles to release.
Yeah.
Those tight ones. And it's kind of like popping a balloon. These muscles can only handle so much tension, right? We'll also be doing a nice relaxing back acupuncture treatment on you, which I love for stabilizing the central nervous system. It's really great for people with sleep issues, with anxiety, with stress, with depression. So we'll be doing that on you. It's really good at stimulating the vagus nerve, getting the central nervous system. So if you're someone who's go, has a lot of tension in the body, this is a great treatment for you. You love the fire cupping on your back to get lymph moving.
Yes, I like the lymph. What does it do to the limbs? I've always been fascinated.
It kind of helps trigger lymph movement. So lymph becomes active with like subtle, gentle movements. And it's what we're going to be doing on your face as well for gua sha. So it helps get that pumping. It's kind of like, I don't know if you've ever read, it's good for you to jump on a trampoline to get your lymph moving, this kind of movement.
Yes, okay.
So it's similar to that. So we want a little bit of a flame.
So the fire is not going to go on.
No, it creates a vacuum on the cup actually. And then we'll flip you, we'll do nice gua sha. I also do cosmetic acupuncture.
Oh, wow.
We won't be doing that on you today, but we will be doing gua sha and an herbal poultice on your neck and
I love
face.
it.
So we did the right side of Yogi's face, and you can really see the inflammation that kind of helped get pushed back. But you can see it looks youthful, it looks plumper, and it looks more pulled back.
So after having acupuncture and this incredible facial treatment, I want to go juice. Are you ready to go juice?
Absolutely. Now Yogi can take care of me.
So I brought watermelon, carrots, orange, apple, and lime. Very refreshing, very hydrating juice recipe, especially that I knew I was going to do something on my face. Yeah. So it's kind of like soothing. So let's start with carrots.
Carrot juice is good for the skin, right?
Yes, para-carotene.
Thank you.
To health. Let's juice. So good.
This is delicious. So refreshing too.
It is. So what better way to finish off all these services that Garen gave me with juicing. Like now I'm hydrating my body. I feel amazing.
Yeah, and
How do you
probably
feel?
purifying too afterwards,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Like after example, like acupuncture or like facial gua sha, it's good to drink a lot of water, good
Yes.
to juice afterwards.
Yes, I didn't think about
Yeah.
that. That's good.
Yeah, this is delicious.
You
I
like
love
it?
Yeah, thank you so much, Yogi. This is great.
Yes, I love it. Yes, cheers.
Cheers.
If you like this, subscribe to my channel. Should they subscribe to my channel?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yogi's the best.
Click and like.